NFA to DFA. Take an example. Yeah, they have given two data. One is a transition table, other one is a transition diagram. I'll take again as usual. Now we will contain delta dash transition for state Q0. Q0 on 0, you may get Q0 as well as Q1. Q0 as well as Q1. There is a new state. So you have to create Q0 on 0 will go to Q0. Q0 on 1 will go to Q1. From this you get new state, and this is also new state. Again you have to find the second from new state, find out the transition for that. Q1 on 0 it go to the 5, there is no transition at all. Q1 on 1 will go to the Q0 Q1. So Q0 Q1 on 1. There is one more state is Q0 Q1 on 0. You will get Q0 Q1. So it will go to the same state. Again it will go to the same state, right? So on 1 also. Now there is no more new state. You have to stop the process and decide which is the final state. In this new set of state, need to find out, is there any Q1 in any of these set? There is only one, which is this is a new state. It contains the final state of the NFA, and this will be the final state. There are two final states are there. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay, so with this, so this is the final DFA, and this is the transition table for DFA.